Ever felt like your email inbox and your meeting schedule are two separate universes, constantly colliding and creating chaos? You're trying to book a meeting, but you're jumping back and forth between your personal Gmail, Outlook, or whatever you use, and your HubSpot calendar, struggling to find a time that works for everyone. You're copy-pasting links, manually checking availability, and honestly wasting precious time. Sound familiar? You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, efficiency is king. And if you're a HubSpot user, you know how powerful it can be for managing your sales and marketing. But here's the thing. HubSpot's meeting tool is even more potent when it's seamlessly integrated with your personal email. Imagine the possibilities. Imagine being able to schedule meetings directly from your email, with real-time availability synced across both platforms. No more back-and-forth emails, no more double booking, just smooth, streamlined scheduling. Why is this important? Well, let's break it down. First, it's about saving time. Time that you could be spending on closing deals, nurturing leads, or simply taking a well-deserved break. Second, it's about reducing errors. Manual scheduling is prone to mistakes, and those mistakes can cost you valuable opportunities. Third, it's about creating a better experience for your contacts. When scheduling is easy and efficient, it reflects positively on your professionalism and attention to detail. Now, you might be thinking, this sounds great, but is it complicated? The answer is a resounding no. Connecting your personal email to HubSpot meetings is a straightforward process that can be done in just a few simple steps. And that's exactly what we're going to cover in this video. We'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can start enjoying the benefits of seamless scheduling today. Before we dive into the how-to, let's quickly clarify what we mean by personal email. We're talking about the email account you use for your day-to-day communication, whether it's Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or any other email service provider. This is the email account you want to connect to your HubSpot meetings tool to streamline your scheduling process. Okay, let's get started. The first step is to log into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, navigate to the settings menu. You can usually find this by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, look for the general section. Within the general settings, you'll find an option called Email. Click on that. This is where you'll manage your email integrations. Now you'll see a section titled Connected Inboxes. Here you'll have the option to connect a personal email account. Click on the Connect Inbox button. HubSpot will then guide you through the process of selecting your email provider. You'll see options for popular providers like Gmail and Outlook. If your provider isn't listed, you can usually select Other Mail Account and enter your server details manually. For most users, selecting Gmail or Outlook will be the easiest option. Let's say you're using Gmail. Select the Gmail option and follow the prompts. You'll be asked to sign in to your Google account and grant HubSpot permission to access your email. This permission is necessary for HubSpot to sync your calendar and availability. Once you've granted permission, HubSpot will verify your connection. This process usually takes a few seconds. Once verified, your Gmail account will be listed under Connected Inboxes. If you're using Outlook, the process is very similar. Select the Outlook option, sign in to your Microsoft account, and grant HubSpot the necessary permissions. Now, here's where the magic happens. Once your personal email is connected, you can start using it to schedule meetings directly from your inbox. When you compose a new email, you'll see a HubSpot icon in the toolbar. Clicking on this icon will give you access to your HubSpot meeting links. You can then select the meeting link you want to share with your contact. HubSpot will automatically insert the link into your email, along with any relevant information, such as the meeting title and duration. When your contact clicks on the link, they'll be taken to your HubSpot meeting page, where they can see your availability and select a time that works for them. Once they've selected a time, the meeting will be automatically added to both your HubSpot calendar and your personal email calendar. But it's not just about scheduling new meetings. You can also use your connected email to manage existing meetings. If you receive a meeting invitation in your personal email, HubSpot will automatically detect it and add it to your HubSpot calendar. You can then use HubSpot to reschedule or cancel the meeting, and these changes will be reflected in your personal email calendar. Now, let's talk about some of the advanced features. HubSpot also allows you to customize your meeting links. You can create different meeting links for different types of meetings, such as sales calls, demos, or consultations. You can also set custom availability rules, such as limiting the number of meetings you can schedule per day or week. Another useful feature is the ability to embed your HubSpot meeting link in your email signature. This makes it easy for your contacts to schedule meetings with you without having to search for a link. To embed your meeting link in your email signature, go back to the Settings menu and select Email. Then, click on Signatures. Here you can create or edit your email signature. You can then insert your HubSpot meeting link into your signature, along with any other relevant information. Now, what about troubleshooting? If you encounter any issues while connecting your email or using the HubSpot meeting tool, there are a few things you can try. First, make sure you're using the latest version of your browser. Second, clear your browser cache and cookies. Third, check your email provider settings to ensure that HubSpot has the necessary permissions. If you're still having trouble, you can contact HubSpot support for assistance. They have a team of experts who can help you troubleshoot any issues you may be experiencing. Let's recap the key benefits of connecting your personal email to HubSpot meetings. First, it saves you time by automating the scheduling process. Second, it reduces errors by eliminating manual scheduling. Third, it creates a better experience for your contacts by making it easy for them to schedule meetings with you. Fourth, it allows you to manage your meetings from a single platform, streamlining your workflow. By connecting your personal email to HubSpot meetings, you're not just improving your scheduling process. You're also improving your overall productivity and efficiency. You're freeing up time to focus on what matters most: growing your business. Remember, the goal is to make your life easier and your workflow smoother. Integrating your personal email with HubSpot's meeting tool is a simple but powerful way to achieve that. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.